So today we are going to do the step-by-step apply conditional formatting. We will be using the workbook from our previous exercise. First, you will need to select cells A3 through F7. Click the Quick Analysis icon. The Formatting tab should be selected. Move to the first icon, Data Bars. You can see a preview on the worksheet of small bars in each cell indicating the relative value in the cell. The largest value is in F3 and the bar shows the largest width. Click the color scale option to make this choice. Click in a cell outside the range so the formatting is clearer. The worksheet is formatted with the highest values in green, with the highest value in dark green. The lowest values are in red. If the value is close to the highest or lowest value, the color or the cell is less dark. As the values move away from the value, the color becomes lighter. Save and close the workbook.